You're doing it again? Welcome to episode 2 of Just Lighting by JL Lighting. I'm Matt Kim, gonna be your host this afternoon. Appreciate you taking the time to spend the day with us. I'm excited about a brand new product that we have. It's actually one of the most requested products we've ever had, and finally it's ready for the market. Call it the Magic Panel Pro and the Magic Troffer Pro. Excited to introduce to you the Magic Troffer Pro and the Magic Panel Pro, and we're super excited to have it here in our new lineup. The reason why we call it the Pro version, because you've seen the Magic Troffer before, you've seen our Magic Panel before, but what you haven't seen is the color changing, adjustability, wattage adjusting versions of the new product. So this is basically how it works. We have a Class 2 LED dimming driver that has multiple switches to control the adjustability of the color temperature and the wattage. So we can go from a 3000 to a 3500 to a 4000 to a 5000 Kelvin, as well as 15 watt, 25 watt, 30 watt, and 36 watt. And what that does is it solves the problem of SKUs, inventory, and getting to a project where in some areas you may want less wattage, less light, and other areas you want more wattage, more light, maybe a different color temperature. And a lot of times the end users don't exactly know what they want until you've already installed it. And now you're sitting on multiple SKUs of one color temperature or another. You're looking for different types of wattages. So we try to solve that issue with one SKU. Let me show you how it works. So basically how it works is you just take the rocker, you have power going to it, and right now it's set at 5000 Kelvin. We were gonna put this in a classroom application, so we decided we're gonna go to a 4000 Kelvin. Now we've decided that this troffer is actually going into a children's nursery area, and we want to put a warmer light because again, that keeps them calmer. We've known this. There are scientific studies to show that different color temperatures affect different types of moods. So we want to go to a warmer light, create a more pleasant environment. We can go all the way down 3000 Kelvin, 3000, 3500, 4000, 5000. Also, we can adjust the wattages. So if you're in a classroom setting and you need maximum amount of light, them kids, they don't want to work, we're gonna go to the brightest light possible. But then it goes into a tight hallway where you could use a little bit less light and you could really use the extra energy savings. We're gonna dim it down just a little bit. You set it one time, no other buttons to press, making it super easy for you as an installer, you as a distributor trying to stock inventory, or you as the end user that doesn't know exactly what color temperature wattage they want prior to buying the project. This makes it super easy for you, more versatile, which is why we call it the Magic Troffer Pro. The same functionality that we have in our Magic Troffer Pro is now also in our Magic Panel Pro. So if you have any questions about this technology, about this product, or you share the same excitement that I have, which is that this is gonna solve a lot of problems for a lot of people, leave a comment below. We'll leave all of our contact information in the description as well. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you next time. I'm Matt Kim. Thanks for watching Just Lighting.